back to Unocoin's YouTube channel, everyone. So people who are looking to try their hands at crypto very often get lost in the middle of all the advanced information that is available. And as humans, we don't really want to put our money into anything that we don't completely understand. So today, my dear friends, we are going to talk about the first step in crypto. That too from a beginner's perspective. So there are many ways in which we can invest in cryptocurrencies. But the best ones for the beginners is through an exchange. So let's quickly take a look at what all steps will help you start your crypto journey. Number 1. Choose which cryptocurrency exchange you want to use. Your best bet is a reputable and a well-known exchange. Establish an account with the cryptocurrency exchange. You will need to provide your personal information and verify your identity to complete the registration process. Fund your account with fiat money. So before you can buy any crypto, you need to fund your exchange account with another currency such as INR, that is Indian rupees. Choose which cryptocurrencies you want to invest in. So research your options to help yourself decide better. Or you can also avail features like crypto basket or sub broker if you are not sure at first. Place a buy order for your chosen cryptocurrency. Now follow these steps required by the exchange to submit and complete a buy order for one or more cryptocurrencies. Store your cryptocurrency in a digital wallet. So after your purchase is complete, the information you need to access your cryptocurrency is held in a digital wallet. That crypto wallet can be hosted either by the cryptocurrency exchange or an independent wallet provider. As an investor in cryptocurrency, you need to decide how much of your portfolio to allocate to digital assets. A best practice among investors is to periodically review your entire portfolio so as to rebalance your holdings if the need be. Now, this might also mean increasing or scaling back your crypto exposure depending on your investment goals and other financial needs. Given the nature of cryptocurrencies, it's especially important for you to invest only what you can afford to lose. So this is all for this video, guys. See you in the next video, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Unocoin's channel. Thanks for watching.